Generative AI refers to artificial intelligence system capable of creating new content such as text, images, or music by learning patterns and structures from existing data. Models utilize advanced algorithms to generate human-like outputs based on the input they receive. My book aims to explore and demystify the technology behind AI systems that generate new content by examining how models learn from existing data and employ sophisticated algorithms. This book seeks to educate readers on the principles, applications, and implications of this transformative field. It also includes case studies across various niches and industries. This book is the culmination of my 12 months of research, and I hope you enjoy reading it. I highly recommend it to postgraduate students as it covers many aspects of generative AI within music, entertainment, content creation, advertising, marketing, healthcare, businesses within cars, architectural creations, and every aspect of it. And I provided my insights along with future prospects within each industry using generative AI. I have also provided advanced mathematical operations. So it's a research field for scientists. I have also done some interviews with scientists and engineers, artificial intelligence engineers, to write the book. And my insight, those of you who know me, that whenever I provide my insights in regards to search engine algorithms and the future of programming and everything I have talked about in the past, they came true and they came to fruition. Whatever I have said is based on data, and the current data impacts the future, both near future and many years later. So I highly recommend buying this book.